Good evening, everyone.
Well, hello.
Hello. So, a lot of people who know us and who have been a subscriber of our channel for a while know that...
You mean like know us, or like...
Like, know us on the tubes.
The tubes.
Yeah, know us on the tubes.
What's up, tubies?
Know that we like to do some crazy stuff on Friday nights. And we're here to tell you that, unfortunately, tonight, we are not going to be able to do that. As you have a conference to go to.
And Ryan needs to go take care of his tux and do some wedding stuff with the boys.
Yeah, I gotta go do some groomsmen stuff, and I need to fit.
You need to grooms them in. He's gotta go groom them.
I need to try on my. I need to try on my tux one last time before it's all good. So.
Yes.
But that being said, you know, I wish we could do some crazy stuff for people. You know.
I know.
Don't you like? Okay.
Like the adventures out and about.
Yeah, like I wish we could do that someday. That would be really fun. Like what if you, because you're such a friendly person, right? Like everybody loves you.
I am not friendly at all. I actually hate people. Everybody.
Yeah. So like, what if you like
hate to be alone.
Something you could do someday, all right?
Yeah.
You could go out and you could compliment everybody you see. Just like everybody you see, and like whether it be like a store, I don't know where we'd be, but like wherever, just like you just compliment people. Just walk right up to them and be like, say something nice, anything.
Feel like a freaking ray of sunshine.
Yeah, just a ray of sunshine.
That's so out of my character. Hi. Hello. You have beautiful hair.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow, I love your eyes and your teeth.
How are we doing today?
Good, how are you?
Just a quick question.
Yeah.
We don't allow video filming.
Oh, really?
Without permission. Right?
Oh, okay.
So if you just stop, that'd be great.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
All right.
So what if you did something cool? Like walk around at a store when you're thrifting with toilet paper stuck to your shoe.
Oh my goodness. That'd be good, actually.
Like act like you didn't know it was there.
Yeah, that would be good.
Because then I get entertained while you're thrifting anyway, and then you get to thrift and I get to just like see people look at you funny.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you have any time?
$2.
There you go.
There you are.
Thank you very
Have a
much.
great night.
You too.
Thanks.
You have my phone.
Wait a minute. What about one more thing? Another thing for you that you could do. This would be good. I think you could do this.
What?
Say we're at like a restaurant, right?
Uh-huh.
And
Wait, we don't go to those.
yeah, right.
We don't have time for that. Never mind. This is a fantasy. Go. I love fantasy.
A fantasy. So say we're at a restaurant, right? And you decide to eat with no hands in front of everyone.
I thought you were going to say a pickle.
Oh no, not a pickle. You already did that once.
So wait, what?
So you decide to eat your food with no hands in the middle of the restaurant.
What do you mean, like, no hands?
Like, no hands. Just...
No silverware?
Oh. Yeah.
Baby, in the backseat.
So if I'm gonna eat like food in public with no hands,
Yep.
what about if you drink toilet water?
What is your obsession with toilet stuff? First it's the toilet paper, now it's drink toilet water.
No, false alarm.
Yeah, I'm not
Didn't have
doing
to
that. I am not doing that.
Oh.
You know another thing that you could do that I think would be pretty funny? Someday for Do It for the Tubes.
Yeah.
I think if you just like walk up to random strangers and talk to them, maybe talk to them about YouTube, other YouTubers maybe. Ask them if they know who they are.
See how popular.
See how popular certain YouTubers are. See if there's a following of
Like an
certain
interview?
YouTubers out on the street. Yeah.
Like
Just walk
I
up
can
to
be
them and be like, do you know whoever you want to mention?
So, do you, I'm sure you do, but do you know YouTube? Do you watch YouTube like on a regular basis? Have you ever heard of RVA Flip? Garage Flip? Cincinnati Picker? Thrifty Treasure? Thrift Mine? Alright, so for RVA Flip, what would you think that their videos would be about?
Stunts?
And what about Garage Flip?
Same thing.
Same thing. And what about Cincinnati Picker?
Thrift shopping?
And what about Thrifty Treasure? More or less the same.
Yeah.
And then Thrift Mine.
Same.
Same. Thank you so much.
Cool.
One day we could find another one. So RVA Flip.
RVA flips. Never heard of them.
Never heard of them? What
I
would
think
you
it's. I think it'd be about RC cars or something like
I
that.
would say people doing tricks.
All right.
Parkour,
Deal.
maybe. I don't know.
What about Garage Flip?
Still no idea.
No idea. You know what? Or what would be
Maybe
your guess
like
about what they
bike
would do?
tricks or something
No,
like
I
that.
would think like flipping your garage, like one of those house TV shows.
Oh yeah, that, like
Oh
the
yeah,
remodel.
that's a good idea.
What about Cincinnati Picker?
No. I
No?
don't know.
What would you think they would do?
I think they'd like go thrift shopping.
Thrift shopping? Okay. And then Thrifty Treasures.
Yeah, I mean I've never heard of it, but like, I think I'd
you're like
assume going thrift
thrifty.
shops.
Yep.
Yeah.
What about Thrift Mine?
No. Are these like common YouTube channels or?
We just had to do like
Thrift
kind of
Mine's a big one. Thrift
Yeah.
Mine's getting
check.
big. Yeah, Thrift
Maybe,
Mine's a
like,
big one.
Yeah, trying to find like
Yeah.
expensive items or something like that.
Yep,
Thrift
yep,
shops.
All right. All right.
Is that it? Awesome.
Yeah. Thank you
Thank
guys
you.
so
Thanks,
much.
guys. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Do you know what YouTube is?
Yeah.
When you watch YouTube?
Frequently.
Or not? Now I'm gonna list 5 different like channels on there. You just tell me if you've heard them, of them, or watched them. And then if you haven't, tell me what you think that their videos would be about. Deal? All right. So, RVA Flip.
Haven't heard of them.
All right. What would you think that their channel would be about?
What was the name again?
It's RVA Flip.
Skateboard.
Skateboarding. Fair enough. And then Garage Flip.
Flips. I make you think some great decorating a garage.
You decorate. Fair enough. Fair
Yeah.
enough. What about Cincinnati Picker?
Yeah, I got nothing about that one.
Nothing.
No.
Wouldn't even know what the channel.
Nope.
Fair enough. What about Thrifty Treasure?
Sounds like thrift shopping.
Fair enough. And last one is Thrift Mine.
Pretty much the same thing as I
Same
said
thing.
before. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Cool.
That's all it
Thanks,
is.
man.
Thank you.
All right. I could probably do that. I think that'd be weird.
Yeah, that would be weird.
It might be sad though. What if they are all? What if all of them are like, I don't know that person. I don't know that person.
Oh, that'd be weird.
What if like they just say they do? If I do that, and I go talking to people,
Yeah.
you just want me to talk to everybody. Oh my goodness.
Well, you're a good talker, so you're good at that stuff.
I am. I'm so shy though. So what if you kind of just wear an article of clothing that I make for you? You know, as a future wife, I should probably be able to like make clothes.
I
I
could
think
do
that's
that.
like a requirement.
I can do that someday on the live show. That'd be cool. Good.
You want a bag? 349.
Thank you. No thanks.
Okay.
Have a great one. That was fun.
All in a day's work.
Alright, so if I have to wear that stupid shirt,
I think that would be amazing.
it would be. Probably. I don't know. I'd have to see that shirt for that to happen. I don't know if I'd approve.
I feel like I just want to flashback real quick in my mind again. Alright, I'm better.
Anyway, since you'd make me do something as wacky as that, what if...
Force you.
Force me.
Force you to do it.
What if I antiqued you? So, like, antiquing, that's like when you take a bunch of flour and you just dump it on you.
I'm a little worried because you looked confused when you mentioned this.
I'm not
but-
confused about it.
Why are you doing it right on my head? Just fluff me. Oh. It's so hard to stay still when you're under attack. Ah. Oh, it's so cold. Ah, you better hope I don't. We should have taken your car. Well, sorry guys. I mean, I guess this week's gonna be pretty boring without us. Who
Yeah.
knows? Maybe you guys will find better things to do.
Sorry. Maybe in the future we'll do some of those things. It'll be a lot of fun. Do it live on the show.
Maybe you should, like, if I can get you to wear what I'm thinking in my head,
Mm-hmm.
you should just wear that every Friday.
Yeah. Maybe I will.
Yeah, he ain't gonna wear that.
All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much for watching.
Again, we apologize for not having our live, do it for the tubes. But we'll get you next week.
Yeah,
like
sorry we
you.
didn't have any entertainment for you this Friday, but
I feel like I let them down.
Yeah, I
I
know.
let you down, Blue.
But
All you
we will be
please.
back next Friday live,
Do you promise?
and I promise. Yes, I promise we will be.
And just to let you know, we do have a lot of wedding-y things coming up,
Mhm.
so there's going to be a couple Fridays that are going to get compromised.
Yeah.
But I'm sure we'll think of something.
Yeah, we'll think of something. Like tonight, we did a little brainstorming, you know. But
Maybe another brainstorm?
yeah, maybe another brainstorm. But anyway, we will see you guys probably tomorrow. And yeah, have a great night, everybody.
Yeah, at least they know we didn't disappear.
Yeah. Bye.
What are you doing?
I'm waving bye.
Oh, bye.
Bye.
Oh, what happened to me? This is what happens when I don't make dinner right. He makes me wear it.
Say hi to people.
Thank you. Hi.
How you doing?
It's been a rough night, my friend. It's been a rough night.
That was better.
You know, I think there's only one way to go, and that's up.